guys, today we are going to talk about peas and especially growing peas in the south. So I grew up in Wisconsin and you grow peas in the summer, and I quickly learned in South Carolina that you do not grow peas in the summer. So Luca and I grew, let's see if I can show you that way on the trellis, tons and tons of peas. I think we even started some in December and January in the pots, just let them grow and sprout. And you want to plant in the south peas in cool weather. So that's the key. You want to plant them in cool weather. And so we had them all spring. They bloomed. They just kept growing up the trellis and they kept making peas and peas. It was so fun that we've had that many peas. But now it is the middle of June and I've actually kind of extended even more of their life than I thought I could. But they're getting weary because of the heat. So I just want to show you a couple things real quick. So we're going to go pop over by the peas before we tear them out. Okay guys, so we're in the peak of the day. Well, actually it's like 3, but peak of the heat. It's like, I think literally 100 degrees today. Super hot. So as you can see, these poor guys are frying up. They, even a week ago, had a lot of green to them and now they're just starting to fry up. So here you can see we put them on the cattle panel that we built for the deer to keep the deer out, and they are looking all crunchy and dried up, which is what they do when the heat comes in the south. So that's how we know it's time to pull them. And I'm gonna put tomatoes here. I'm really excited. Even the ones hanging over the side are a little croaked. But I wanted to show you guys really quickly. Let's see if I can find them. Okay, so here, this was amazing, amazing trick this year. If these little clips, let's see if I can pop one off for you. This is a small one, there's big ones too. So I got these at the dollar store a couple years ago. Here's a big one. And there you go. I noticed when the peas were growing, I was trying to loop them in and out as they grew up, which worked, but some of them just wanted to break or snap off, and I thought, oh, I have the clips. So I ran the house and got the clips, and it worked so well. Luke and I just took them and bundled them and clipped them to the cattle panel, and we could do literally like every space or every other space, which worked amazingly. You can't even see them, but they're hiding in here. See, there's another clip. But they work so well, and they don't break your peas. So I highly recommend some kind of clip like that if you're trellising something. You can see they still have peas on. We're gonna pick them all. Look at it. Hey baby, how's it going? You got your bucket? That's perfect. We're gonna pick them all today. Some of them, or most of them, are probably past. Some of them might still be good. We're gonna make shepherd's pie tonight. So we wanna harvest any that we can. See, here's some that are still fresh enough. So we'll probably pick that, and then later we'll probably pull all of these out and get some more heat tolerant plants planted, like tomatoes or something. But it's been so fun having them here, hasn't it been, Luca? I like your siren on your hat. That is awesome. So Luca's a little sad about pulling them out. So we're gonna talk about when we can put more in. We'll probably get some started soon, maybe August or July or August. We might get some started and then have peas all fall, and get as many as we can out. And you can even in the south, I don't know, grow peas or stuff like that in November, December, depending on if you cover it with harvest cloth. So we'll see what we can do. But we have had at least peas for 3 or 4 months, so I'm very, very thankful. So Luca wanted to hop over here and show you guys our chickens. These are our egg layers that used to be babies, and they're like teenagers now. We are working on, we'll do a video. Here's our chicken coop that we are almost done with. This is a temporary, very temporary, you can see here, temporary run, just so they can be outside during the day, but we're gonna do a run here. So we'll be building that soon. But look at these cuties. These are so sweet. I will. 1 second, baby. So these chickens are so sweet. They're just trying to cool off right now because, like I said, it's really hot. By dust baths and getting in the dust. I didn't know they were like dogs. They dig in the ground to get cool. But that one right there, that gray one, is one of our favorites. Her name is Chocolate Chip, and she is so sweet. We hold her all the time because Hi, Chocolate Chip.
Can I,
She loves to be held.
can I go show them up close?
Just 1 second, love. There they are, being chickens. These are dried up. We can probably use these for seed peas.
I was gonna say that.
Whoops. Is that what you were thinking?
Yeah. Oh, I see a bunny. I see a rabbit over there.
Do you?
Yeah. It's hopping to the forest.
So since it's super hot out, Luke and I are gonna go make some iced matcha tea and drink it out here, aren't we? It's gonna be fun while we pick. We got some delicious iced matcha now. I was showing you guys how to make it and I don't think the camera recorded it properly, but we just use powdered matcha, mix just a little bit concentrate with warm or slightly heated water, and then we add raw milk or macadamia milk, a little bit of maple syrup, mix it up, add some ice, and you got a perfect iced matcha latte.
Can I pull carrot tissue then? Mm-hmm. Let's see which one. Mom,
Hey,
I got 3 options I have
What's that?
of carrots. Ooh, Mom, the third one must be. Well, at least I can see. So, here's 3 carrots.
I see.
It's cooling down.
Is it? The breeze?
Mama,
Mm-hmm.
guess what?
What?
Take that thick one open and see if it's good.
Which one?
That
This
thick
one?
one? Yeah.